Hi guys, so here I am to tell you about how I prepare my skin before doing makeup. So let's do. Ta-da! So here are they from Hyaluronic brand. I wash my face from green tea and chamomile face wash and hyaluronic acid day cream for moisture. A mild foaming face wash enriched with the beneficial antioxidant action of green tea extract and soothing chamomile to gently cleanse the skin to reveal its fresh look. A specially designed face wash for sensitive skin with sulfate-free surfactant system fortified with moisturizing complex. A luxurious day cream with intense moisturizing factor of hyaluronic acid crafted with 3D advantage to make the skin hydrated, silky, soft and super smooth. Wow, I love the result already. So you also try High9 products for better results. Must buy. Follow for more.